Pasta for your figure, which has almost no calories. Does this happen? Yes, write down the recipe. Cut the chicken breasts into cubes, fry for 7 minutes, add spices. I use paprika, black pepper, chili and garlic. Next, we take the zucchini and cut it into thin slices with a potato peeler, then cut each slice into thin strips. It turns out that such zucchini noodles. We put it in the pan with the chicken breast. Add cherry tomatoes cut in half to them. Add 2 tablespoons of sour cream, a little salt. Mix everything and simmer under the lid for 15 minutes. At the end, add a little cheese. It turns out very tasty. We ate everything even cold. We cook a healthy dinner quickly and deliciously. Add broccoli and mushrooms to the chicken breast, mix everything well. Add the sour cream and egg sauce. Cover with foil and put in the oven for 40 minutes at 180 degrees. After 40 minutes, add the cheese and put it in the oven for another 5 minutes. This delicious lunch or dinner is perfect for those who watch their figure or just like to eat delicious food. We cook chicken cutlets from chicken fillet for lunch or dinner. Cut the chicken fillet into pieces and add the pre-stewed mushrooms and herbs. We break 2 eggs and black pepper and salt there. Mix everything well and add 40 grams of corn flour, and you are guided by the amount of your meat. To make the cutlets juicy, I add Greek yogurt. You can also add sour cream. Fry the cutlets under a lid over medium heat in vegetable oil on both sides until a golden crust forms. Why aren't you cooking chicken breast? Because it always turns out to be dry. Then cook according to this recipe. You definitely won't find a juicier chicken. First, fry the chicken on both sides with salt and pepper. Now remove the chicken and pour 150 milliliters of cream and the same amount of water directly into this pan. Add the zest and juice of half a lemon, add a little spinach, a pinch of salt and pepper. Now put the chicken in this sauce and simmer for 20 minutes. It turns out very juicy and incredibly fragrant. Take instant oatmeal and fry in a dry pan for a few minutes. Add the egg, mix and break the mass into small pieces. Put it on a plate. Add chopped banana and mango, but you can put any other fruits or berries that you like best. Pour low-fat yogurt on top and sprinkle with nuts. It turns out to be a wonderful, delicious, healthy, and hearty breakfast. A healthy dessert with 160 calories. Take the soft cottage cheese, kiwi, banana and chia seeds cut into pieces. Mix everything well and put it in the refrigerator for 2 to 3 hours to swell the chia. You can decorate it with any fruits or berries. Enjoy your meal.